I'm going for this after school like light look where the sun is like almost setting and stuff. Anyways, let's open this baby. I had this for like 2 days and I hadn't opened it because I was like, I'm not mentally ready to open this. Anyways, I'm in Korea, so I bought it from a Korean site, so yeah. I literally don't know what that says. I freaking love Korea. They like package things so well. They just do things so well. Missy ma'am. I saw 95 Psych on Instagram and she had it. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I gotta have it. And I didn't even know that it was a Nendoroid. I was like, it low-key looks like a Nendoroid, but it's not. Anyways, let me just... I was talking about, like, I like female teachers. Because I'm a teacher in Korea, so that makes me not really a teacher, because, yeah. I'm just a native English speaker. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the tissue paper for wet girl. And I recently got new co-teachers for my travel schools. So, and they're awesome. They're great. They're brand new and they're somehow younger than me. And I feel very awkward because they're younger than me. But, you know, that's life. How cute. Miss Kuromi. Yes. We'd love to see it. It's like... I love this face. It's so cute. And then the key. It's so cute. I mean, Shay's so cute. I kind of want the hard eyes. But also, this crying face is so cute. I can't. I don't really like my Melody, but yeah. I mean, like, them together is nice. I don't like her by herself. Okay, let me open her and let's see. Yeah, anyways, as I was talking about, like, me getting new co-teachers, okay, wait, hold on. Why aren't you opening? Like, she's literally, like, flat. She's so flat. Like, can you see how flat? Usually it's, like, sometimes, like, you know. Anyways, I got new co-teachers, and they're both females. And, like, they're great. I'm gonna meet one of them on Sunday this weekend. We're gonna go over, lesson plan because she wants to like work with me, unlike my last teacher, which was a male and he's a lot older and he's just like, I'm here for retirement, like I'm waiting for my retirement, like can you shut the fuck up? Yeah, so he retired basically, or they both technically all retired, and now it's just, yeah. I didn't notice it was purple inside. How to attach parts. Shrink resistant plug. You know what? We just gonna figure it out. You know what's funny? We also got a new home economics teacher at my main school, and she was like, "Oh my god, why the f is the home economics room so fucking dirty, messy, dusty?" And then she was like, I bet the last teacher was a freaking man. And I was like, girl, you're right. It was. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna, pop her head off. Oh, give me a second. This is all that's left of Kuromi. Oh, me. Dropped her motherfucking tiny ass motherfucking leg. Alright. Her body's back. What the fuck are those? Oh, motherfucker, I gotta fucking read this shit. How the fuck do you read this shit? Oh, okay, I take them out. Shrink resistant plug. What the fuck does that mean? Does her leg just shrink? What the fuck? Oh, her base. She's got extra neck brace. Anyways, how do I want her? I want to position her. I just want her standing, crying. Oh, what the? Why is it so deep inside anyways? Oh, great. The challenge. Oh, shit. Oh, push this thing. That's easy. Nice, nice, nice. And then it's like a little hat. Nice. Yo, why is this loosey goosey on this shit? Oh, son of a bitch. Cute. Should put more pink on her face. Oh, fuck. Her tail. How cute. Now make her stand. Oh, get in there. Yas, paled her. Why the fuck is she like 10 feet off the floor? Hold on, let me try to fix her. There we go. How cute. Screaming. Should I put her over here? Put Chainsaw Man. But yeah, I got these when I went to Japan. Look at... Which is so funny. I didn't even take out this one. I have this one. It's a Chifuyu X cinnamon roll one. Oh my god, look at this, so cute. Like, she's still in there. I was gonna take it out, but yeah, too much right now. Anyways, that is it. Bye.